Welcome to Antique Hardware Supply, your source for timeless hardware designs that bring history and craftsmanship into your home. In today's video, we're exploring different types of cabinet and furniture pulls, including traditional pulls, bail pulls, and ring and drop pulls. We'll also cover their history, best uses, and how to measure for each style to ensure a perfect fit. Cabinet and furniture pulls do more than just open drawers and doors. They add character, complement a design style, and can even hint at the history of a piece. Whether you're restoring an antique dresser or updating your kitchen cabinets, choosing the right pull can transform the look and feel of your space. Traditional pulls are one of the most widely used styles, known for their practicality and simple design. Typically shaped as a solid bar or curved handle, they offer a comfortable grip and work well for high-traffic areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Traditional pulls are available in a variety of materials, from sleek stainless steel to ornate brass, making them a versatile choice for any space. When measuring for a traditional pull, the most important dimension is the center-to-center measurement, which is the distance between the two screw holes. Standard sizes range from 3 inches to 5 inches, but larger pulls, sometimes 10 inches or more, are often used for oversized drawers and pantry doors. If you're replacing an existing pull, measuring the center-to-center distance ensures a proper fit without the need to drill new holes. Bail pulls are a classic choice, recognized by their swinging handle attached to 2 mounting posts. This design dates back to the 17th and 18th centuries, when furniture makers began incorporating decorative brass hardware into their pieces. Bail pulls became especially popular during the Georgian and Federal periods, and you'll often find them on traditional chests, dressers, and sideboards. Their ability to lay flat when not in use made them a practical choice for furniture, where clothing or fabric might otherwise catch on protruding hardware. Bail pulls come in a range of sizes, with standard measurements typically between 2.5 inches and 4 inches. If you're replacing an older bail pull, matching this measurement will help ensure a seamless swap. Ring and drop pulls offer a timeless and decorative touch to furniture and cabinetry. These pulls are commonly found on antique and reproduction furniture, especially in styles influenced by European design. They consist of a fixed backplate with a suspended ring or drop handle, creating an elegant and slightly vintage look. Historically, ring pulls were used on early American colonial furniture and European case pieces, while drop pulls, which feature a teardrop or bar-shaped handle, were often seen on 19th century dressers and writing desks. Unlike bar and bail pulls, ring and drop pulls usually require only one mounting hole, making installation and replacement much easier. When measuring for these pulls, the key dimension to consider is the diameter of the backplate. This ensures that the new pull will adequately cover any existing holes or marks from previous hardware. Choosing the right pull isn't just about function, it's about matching the style and character of your furniture or cabinetry. Whether you prefer the clean lines of a modern bar pull, the vintage charm of a bail pull, or the delicate elegance of a ring or drop pull, each style brings something unique to a space, and by measuring carefully, you can ensure a perfect fit for both new installations and restorations. Thanks for watching Antique Hardware Supply. If you're looking for any of the pulls featured in today's video, check out the links in the description below. We offer a wide selection of high-quality cabinet and furniture hardware to help you complete your next project. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. See you next time.